Andre and Broken Daughter Greatly Hopefully and Don Much of National School Worker Thursday Stop Short 100 ones of the jungle split up you. And never you beat before. So, because you're eliminated, the clock will times out. You will arrested you because if you play game, don't play games instead of you when you lose because you play Squid Game because it's a dangerous virus. Because the virus made of gas bleed. Because if you fall, you died for that. Because happen means you win. Because there's a secret immortally abandoned Squid Game Season 2. Because the Squid Game is said goodbye. Because in the Netflix there's a Squid Game over the world of this gone in the Squid Game. Because they disconnect by once. Because you disconnect happen to start to restart because no one plays to grass bridge if you restart because once you happen the square guard, the square and circle and triangle are going to the Squid Game Season 3. This is a right counter. Counter means the only popular way is the glass bridge. They did not answer this name because when somebody push, you see a virus in the next list because there's a virus of the black eyes. You can see. You see the loudly in the voice, loudly in the voice, loudly of the voice, countless in the voice because happen the count listed. Oh Lord! Because happen that lover and leper that die in each other's side. Because happen in the others that month it deals and one with the bottom, the god at the bottom. Because happen duplicate that duplicate of the reward of the Squid Game Season 2. That happened the immediately of the Squid Game Season 2 was abandoned. Because when it's abandoned, how Noah will be survived? How will Noah will be survived? First, look at the Squid Game. That Squid Game was abandoned that doll. That Squid Game abandoned the doll. Because happened that abandoned is definitely locked. deeper look, deeper and deeper and deeper to the side bit of the code in the because don't pre glass bridge because and your colony there's a glass fell. If you lose, you died when the glass broke. Because there's level 6. Because happened, duplicate is what happened. Because happened this duplicated of wonder and world happens going happen. Happened that timer started. Because happened duplicate is that well that becomes darker and darker. Then suddenly another one is gonna happen that pop that brighter and good. Because you have a lighter that Squid Game Season 2 was abandoned in Charlie. Because in Squid Game and red light, green light happened that before and time ran out. Because happened that time ran out, there was a player death of the behind. Because when they are close, happened that judgment happened that Squid Game. That Squid Game happens, that darkness will come out. Because happened the dark. And the dark is a happen. Because the dark happened, the shots are closed up because no guards are playing Squid Game of the red light, green light. Next is Honeycomb. Honeycomb is the famous that ever that the world is going happen. Because Honeycomb is the try in the unbelievable square or in China Go. Because there's no other Squid Game of the Squid God or here in the Squid Game. Next is a 6 round legend. Because happened that update that Squid Game is coming up. Because happened that update is coming up with faster and faster than more. Because happened that update will created that world is gonna say this. Happened that gonna mean that happened that Squid Game happened that darkness over the world. Happened the world is gonna happen with you and me forever we want. Because happened that Squid because and also there's a final destination. Because there's a final Squid Game in season 2. Because when there's a Squid Game final of the season, happened contending to lose all. To lose it all because of Squid Game and the started on July. Because the Squid Game created I can move. Ay, nako. Then happened that suddenly this happened me and you. Because happened that Squid Game happened started in 2. Because it's created in 2025. Because when the Squid Game season 2 started, alone belong into the earth service that containing to the world of God. Because the word of God is the meaning of the judgment. When your judgment is suddenly that Squid Game happened, it's not here. Only Squid Game season 3 is acting like here. They are here. Acting like Owen Nedjo of the Squid Game of the final movie destinations. Because what's the movie detector? Because that happened that James changing the same of the virus. That virus is happen. Gonna be that happen. That world is going happen. Happen. They lose it all because it's not good for the judgment as to you. Because as to you that the world is gonna say that I don't believe you. That's all I know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See ya.